E kaunti noero ma Homa Bay en skunda sekondar mar Wiobiero mixed mayudore e sub-county ma Homa Bay. Koro rwako jopuonjre mang'eny ahinya e klas 9 kata form 1 kipimo kod skunde mamoko mag sub-county noero. Kaluwore kod principal mar skund noero Migosi John Otieno Ogwayo, girwako jopuonjre Moheo 450 mowacho ni en kaluwore kod kaka skundno notimo maber e penja kod luoro kata discipline ma jopuonjre nitiere godo e skul makamano. Higa mokadho Wiobiero mixed ne en skul maber ahinya moloyo skunde duto mag day school e gwenge goeko e penj noero mar KCSE. Principal noero bende koro kwayo stakeholders e sekta mar somo mondo okony e bero skul noero mar Wiobiero mixed secondary school.
This number we have here comes as a result of the good history of the school. We have continuously done very well in our KCSE, and this has given our parents confidence in our school. And we, the teachers of this school, the management, we still would wish to assure the parents that we are going still to do what we have been doing. The standards are still going to be raised despite the large number that we are now receiving. Like going by the registration of today, we are likely to enroll more than 450. 2020, we had our Form 1s were 412. But seemingly the turn-up on day one shows that this number might go higher than. Our capacity is constrained, but if we had resources, we would have picked as many as those parents, those who wish to come to our school. We try our best, despite the numbers, to maintain level of discipline, academic work, and also we pay attention to spiritual nourishment so that our children develop in all rounds. We want academicians with values so that when they come out of our school, they can be citizens that can be dependent upon. So my wish is to call upon not only the government, but even the stakeholders, sons and daughters of the soil in Homa Bay County, not to look at Wiobiero as a sub-county school, because in this multitude, we have students from all the 8 sub-counties in Homa Bay County. We even have some from Migori County. So we are serving beyond the bounds of Homa Bay sub-county. So if all the other leaders in the county would join our Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Peter Kaluma, so far is the only person struggling to put up the structures. But we are heavily serving even the other sub-counties. So a way should be found where the others could also now join hands so that we bring up this school. If possible, we can even change the status so that it has the boarding facility.